The Rila Mountains provide a serene backdrop for exploring meditation. Meditation is a practice of focused concentration and mindfulness. It aims to quiet the mind and promote inner peace. Regular meditation can reduce stress and anxiety. It also enhances self-awareness and emotional regulation. Meditation is often associated with achieving a state of mental clarity. It also promotes a sense of calmness and tranquility. The practice aims to mirror the serenity found in nature. A clear mountain lake reflects the sky, symbolizing mental clarity. The lake's stillness represents the calmness meditation cultivates. This imagery illustrates the potential for inner peace through meditation. Communal meditation involves group practice in a shared space. Participants typically sit in a circle to foster unity and shared energy. The practice aims to enhance individual mindfulness through collective focus. Sunlit rooms are often preferred to create a calming and uplifting atmosphere. Breathing exercises are a core component of many meditation practices. These exercises involve specific techniques to control and regulate breathing patterns. A key goal is to focus the mind by directing attention to the breath. The instructor guides participants through these techniques. This guidance helps individuals learn to center themselves and achieve a meditative state. Meditation is shown to have a direct impact on brain activity. Brainwave patterns change during meditation. These changes are often associated with relaxation. Meditation can promote mental clarity. Visualizations can illustrate these brainwave alterations during meditation. Meditation creates a pathway to access the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind can be reprogrammed through focused meditation practices. Reprogramming the subconscious mind can foster beliefs and attitudes conducive to abundance. Meditation can therefore be a tool for cultivating a mindset geared towards success. Insomnia is a sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling or staying asleep. Meditation techniques can help alleviate insomnia by promoting relaxation. Focused breathing and mindfulness reduce mental activity and stress. Regular meditation practice can improve sleep quality over time. Meditation can be used as a sleep aid to improve sleep quality. Meditation techniques help calm the mind and reduce racing thoughts. Regular meditation practice can lower stress hormones like cortisol. A calm mind and body are more conducive to falling asleep easily. Meditation promotes relaxation, easing muscle tension and physical discomfort. Consistent meditation before bed can lead to more restful and deeper sleep. Cortisol levels are an indicator of stress within the body. The graph illustrates a decrease in cortisol levels during meditation. This demonstrates the stress-reducing effects of meditation. Meditation can be used as a tool to manage and lower cortisol levels. A simple breathing technique can be used to reduce stress. The instructor demonstrates a practical tool for viewers. This technique provides a method for managing daily stress. Consistent practice enhances the effectiveness of the technique. Viewers can easily incorporate this into their daily routine. Meditation induces changes in both the structure and function of the brain. These changes are not immediate, but occur gradually over time with consistent practice. Brain scans can visually demonstrate these long-term effects of meditation. These effects contribute to the overall cognitive and emotional benefits associated with meditation. Meditation encompasses various techniques for training the mind and inducing a state of mental calmness. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the present moment without judgment. Transcendental meditation uses a mantra to quiet the mind and promote relaxation. Guided meditation utilizes imagery and narration to guide the meditator through a relaxing experience. Meditation involves practices to train attention and awareness. Practicing meditation outdoors enhances mental clarity. Nature provides a calming backdrop, reducing stress. Outdoor meditation promotes a deeper connection with the environment. The combination improves overall well-being and mindfulness. Meditation can be practiced in various environments. A yoga studio provides a suitable setting for meditation. The calm and quiet atmosphere of a yoga studio is conducive to meditative practices. The environment supports focus and relaxation. This helps in achieving a deeper state of meditation. Meditation is a practice that promotes mental clarity and emotional calmness. It can be effectively practiced in various environments. A quiet and comfortable home setting can be conducive to meditation. Establishing the right conditions is key to a successful meditation practice. Creating a suitable environment is crucial for effective meditation. A quiet place minimizes external distractions, confortable posture, support physical, relaxation during méditation. An open mind facilitates deeper focus and awareness. These conditions collectively enhance the meditative experience. Prioritizing these factors can lead to more profound and beneficial meditation sessions. The scene depicts a person meditating on a rock. The meditation takes place outdoors, by the sea. The sun is setting, creating a peaceful atmosphere. The overall effect is intended to be inspiring and serene. Meditation offers several key benefits for mental and physical well-being. One primary benefit is the reduction of stress and anxiety levels. Regular meditation practice can lead to improved sleep quality and duration. Meditation enhances mental clarity and focus, improving cognitive functions. It also promotes emotional regulation and a greater sense of inner peace. These benefits collectively contribute to an overall improvement in quality of life. Breathing techniques involve specific patterns to influence physiological states. These techniques provide actionable steps for viewers to follow. The instructions are designed to be simple and easy to understand. Following the steps can promote relaxation and reduce stress. Consistent practice of these techniques can improve overall well-being. The techniques aim to provide immediate, tangible benefits to the user. This segment provides a concise overview of various meditation techniques. The aim is to help viewers identify a meditation practice that aligns with their personal preferences and needs. Different meditation types cater to diverse mental and emotional states. Understanding these differences allows for a more tailored and effective meditation experience. The following information will assist in selecting a suitable meditation method. Correct meditation posture is crucial for a safe and effective practice. This visual guide demonstrates the key elements of proper alignment. Maintaining the correct posture helps to minimize physical strain. Proper posture also supports mental focus and clarity during meditation. Following this guide ensures a more comfortable and beneficial meditation experience. A guided meditation session is a structured practice led by a facilitator. The session provides step-by-step instructions to participants. These instructions guide individuals through various meditation techniques. The goal is to enhance mindfulness and relaxation. Viewers can experience the meditation firsthand. This allows for a direct understanding of the practice's benefits. Meditation apps provide accessible resources for guided meditation. The interface is designed for ease of use and navigation. Users can access various meditation techniques and programs. These apps promote mental wellness through readily available tools. An EEG machine is used to monitor and record brainwave activity. Electrodes are placed on the scalp to detect electrical signals produced by the brain. During meditation, the EEG machine captures changes in brainwave patterns. These changes can indicate different states of relaxation and mental focus. The EEG data provides scientific evidence of the effects of meditation on brain function. This validation helps to understand the neurological benefits of meditative practices. Heart rate variability, HRV, reflects the variation in time intervals between heartbeats. Higher HRV generally indicates better cardiovascular health and adaptability. Meditation practices can positively influence HRV. The graph illustrates an improvement in HRV during meditation. This improvement suggests a reduction in stress and enhanced parasympathetic activity. Increased HRV during meditation is associated with improved overall well-being. Stress hormones are chemical messengers that are released in response to stress. Elevated levels of stress hormones can have negative effects on health. Meditation is a practice that can help to reduce stress. Studies show meditation can lower stress hormone levels. The chart visually compares stress hormone levels before and after meditation. The comparison demonstrates the stress-reducing effects of meditation. Regular meditation practice is associated with improved sleep quality. Data supports the effectiveness of meditation as a sleep aid. Meditation may promote relaxation and reduce sleep disturbances. Consistent meditation can lead to more restful and restorative sleep patterns. Cognitive function tests are used to assess various aspects of mental performance. These tests often measure focus, attention, memory, and processing speed. Studies show that meditation can lead to improvements in cognitive test scores. Specifically, meditation has been linked to enhanced focus and attention span. These findings highlight the potential cognitive benefits of regular meditation practice. Meditation is a practice that can significantly aid in emotional regulation. Regular meditation helps individuals become more aware of their emotional states. This increased awareness allows for better management of anxiety and stress. Consistent meditation practice is associated with improved mood and overall emotional well-being. Meditation techniques can serve as a complementary therapy for pain management. These techniques offer a non-pharmacological approach to alleviate discomfort. Meditation helps patients develop a greater awareness of their pain. This practice can lead to improved coping mechanisms and reduced reliance on medication. Mindfulness meditation centers on cultivating present moment awareness. The practice involves paying attention to thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. It emphasizes observing the arising and passing of experiences as they occur. This focused attention helps to reduce mind wandering and increase concentration. Regular practice can lead to a greater sense of calm and emotional regulation. Transcendental meditation, TM, is a specific form of mantra meditation. It involves the use of a mantra, a specific sound or word, to quiet the mind. The practice aims to promote a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Regular TM practice is associated with stress reduction and improved well-being. Guided imagery. Meditation employs vivid mental images as a central tool. The purpose of this technique is to foster relaxation and reduce stress. It can also be used to promote healing and overall well-being. The process involves creating and focusing on specific mental scenes or scenarios. Body scan meditation is a mindfulness practice focusing on physical sensations. The technique involves systematically directing attention to different parts of the body. Practitioners observe sensations without judgment, noting any feelings that arise. This includes sensations like pressure, temperature, tingling, or pain. The process typically starts at the toes and gradually moves up to the head. Regular practice can enhance body awareness and reduce stress. Walking meditation applies mindfulness to the simple act of walking. It transforms a routine activity into a focused, meditative practice. The practice involves paying close attention to the sensations in your body as you walk. This includes awareness of your feet, making contact with the ground. Walking meditation cultivates a heightened sense of presence and body awareness. Loving kindness meditation is a practice designed to cultivate feelings of warmth and compassion. The primary goal is to enhance empathy and positive regard for oneself and others. The session involves directing well wishes towards different categories of people. These categories typically include oneself, loved ones, neutral individuals, and even difficult people. Regular practice can foster a greater sense of interconnectedness and reduce feelings of isolation. Mindful eating is an exercise designed to enhance awareness of food and eating habits. It integrates principles of meditation to promote a focused and conscious approach to consuming food. The practice aims to improve the individual's relationship with food by paying attention to sensory experiences. This involves noticing the colors, smells, textures, and tastes of each bite. Mindful eating also encourages awareness of physical hunger and satiety cues. Ultimately, this exercise helps in making healthier food choices and developing better eating patterns.